read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today's lesson is about lowercase letter q. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter q and learn the vocabulary words that start with its sound. Qu, qu, qu. Look at this picture. It's queen and quill. But you have to make same as, well, I told you so many times before it, that you have to make different flashcards. You could make like an action of quiet, quail, okay? To introduce to the students with different vocabulary words. So let's start. How we will teach its formation. Start from second line, make semicircle, go up, come straight down and kick. Come straight down and kick. It will make lowercase letter q, means small letter q. The letter name is q and the sound of q is qu. Quiet. Qu. Quiet. Q is for qu. Qu, qu, qu. Queen. Quill. Quail. The queen holds her quill in her hand. After that, ask different question. Who holds the quill? Queen. Very good. Next, how many Q's are there in the above sentence? Above theme, you could say. Okay? 1 and 2. Now, in my, we all will pretend and show the duck's beak and speak out quack, quack, quack. Student will do action and speak out. Q is for quack, 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 quack. Okay? I hope so. You learned a lot through this video lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.